Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to update your PowerShell 7 to the latest version. So, as I said before, in this video I will show you how to update your PowerShell 7 to the latest version. I will be working on Windows 11 and right now. First of all, of course, we have to open our PowerShell 7. It is right there. You can just type it in if you don't see it, and we have to run it as an administrator. So I have to press on this and I have to press yes. As you can see here, we have our PowerShell 7. We have the version 7.6.0. And right now, we will have to write something like this. So $, PowerShell, and now version and table. As you can see, here, this is how we can get information about version of our PowerShell. If you don't see it here, so for me, as I said before, this is the version 7.6.0. And right now, how can we install the latest version of the PowerShell? We have to do something like this. So Winget install. For me, this version is the newest one because I installed it like 5 minutes before, but if you have, for example, 6 or 5, you can use this command and it will work for you. So install --id Microsoft.PowerShell and -e, like this. Now you have to press enter. And as you can see, for me, found an existing package already installed, trying to upgrade to the installed package. For me, there is no available upgrades found, but for you, it might be if you have the older version. And this is all in this video. This is how you can update your PowerShell 7 on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.